Welcome to Future Knowledge Bank here. Today I am coming with the best topic of the our great Mahabharat, Mera Bharat Mahan, India point of view. I want to say the physical features of our India, the pride India. First of all, I want to say one thing else. The only one country in the world which is having three seasons, summer, winter and rainy season, equal range. No other country of 199 countries in the world, no other country is having as India is having. So that purpose we call India is the holiest land on this earth. And now entire the world is made up of the two types of land, Gondwana land and Angara land. Here India belongs to Gondwana land, which is in northern hemisphere of the world. And here, first of all, India is a peninsular country. The reason is, any one at a time I am saying peninsular countries in the sense, the country which is having three sides water. One is Arabian Sea, another second side is Indian Ocean, and third side is Bay of Bengal. So we can consider this is a peninsular countries, and so this is peninsular country, and this country is having all types of physical features here. I told already, India is the only one country which is having three seasons equal range. And here the first one, six physical regions are. First one is Himalayas, and these Himalayas youngest folded mountains in the world. Himalayas are youngest folded mountains in the world, which protecting India from different types of storms and other dangerous natural calamities. We are safely coming about the natural calamities, and the other country Pakistan is facing a lot of natural calamities because of their other side of the India. Now, and I am going to say longitude and latitude point of view, India lies between 8 degrees and 4 minutes north and 37 degrees 6 minutes north, this land latitude. And here we want to measure the time compared to that of the GMT, Greenwich time in London. From the Greenwich city we can consider a line which is a latitude which is passing a longitude which is passing 8 to 2.5 degrees longitude is passing from the Greenwich time, which is touching the correct Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. And this is going to be considered IST point, India Standard Time point. And because of the degree of 8 to 2.5 degrees, the difference of time difference between the London and India is 5.5 hours. For every 15 degrees, 1 hour difference will get. So 82.5 degrees means 5.5 hours difference we are getting here. So the six features are, first of all, Himalayas, first one, Indo-Gangetic plains, and what you call coastal plains, and the desert, and the islands, and the peninsular plateaus. And here peninsular plateaus means Malwa Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau, Deccan Plateau, and so on. Here, Chota Nagpur Plateau is the most fertile plateau in India. This is note down. Chota Nagpur Plateau is the most fertile one. So these are the six regions, and in this case, we can see here Western Ghats and towards the Arabian Sea type, and Eastern Ghats towards the Bay of Bengal side. And both are having one meeting point that is called Kanyakumari, and thereafter we can see in the so many mountains in India also. Here K2, and here Mount Abu in Rajasthan, Mount Everest, and Kanchenjunga, and so many other hills and everything else. You can see here Miski Hills we can find in the Seven Sisters we call here. So the eastern states we call Seven Sisters, and thereafter we can go through some kind of rivers where they are coming out. Now, two rivers, Narmada river and Tapti river, these are westwards flowing rivers we call From the Gujarat they will go and they will come up over here. And here, the oldest mountains we can call Aravali mountains here, Vindhya mountains here, Satpura mountains here. Once again, Satpura mountains and Vindhya mountains and Aravali. And very close to the Aravali, Thar desert also there. And here, Malwa Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau. I already told Chota Nagpur Plateau is the most fertile land. Then comes to the point, near that one, from almost near the West Bengal point of view, one river, Damodar river is going on. Damodar river from West Bengal, from Orissa, Mahanadi is going to pass over. And from here, we can see Tungabhadra, near Tungabhadra, Krishna also we can see here. And thereafter, from in AP, Penna river in the Rayalaseema point of view, and Kaveri, which is a dispute river between the Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. And here one interesting mountain is there. This is called Anaimudi. This is the highest mountain in the South India. And thereafter, we can see one Mahi river, which is very close to the Gujarat, Mahi river, and Sabarmati river over here. And one river which is coming and passing through that one is Pakistan, that is Indus river. And here 5 rivers will pass through one state. That is interesting point. 5 rivers will pass to one state. That state is Punjab. What are the 5 rivers? Satluj and Ravi, Beas, Chenab, Jhelum. Because of the 5 rivers, Panj means 5 and Jab means water. Here 5 rivers are flowing in the one state, that purpose we call it Punjab. So that is the most fertile state in that situation. So all the rivers here, one interesting longest river, Ganges, which is divided into 2 tributaries, Alkananda and Bhagirathi. And here Himalaya mountains, how much length means 2,400 kilometers already, and the Mount Everest height is 8,848 meters. And already know, and because of these Himalayas, we are lucky enough to born in India. And then comes to the next range point of view. Here, Andaman Nicobars are there in Bay of Bengal. In this, we can consider one important region, what we call Indira Point. And then comes to the point of the Lakshadweep. Here, lot of Arabians and foreigners will settle over this in the Lakshadweep, and this is the kind of island because some completely round of the water here. And near Gujarat, one kind of Ran of Kutch is there here, Ran of Kutch, and here which is the in this great India where you can see the sunrise first. Here Arunachal Pradesh. Sunrise first is in Arunachal Pradesh. Aruna means red. And because of the name came, first sun always, morning sunrise always red in color. So first sunrise will fall in Arunachal Pradesh because of the sunrise first, and last is in Gujarat. And here some important points I am going to give for you. Here so many floods and everything will come because we have good amount of rains in our India. And then here a few points I will explain. The lakes which are drained away, behind the plains are called dunes. What are the dunes in the sense is the lakes which are drained away, the leaving behind the plains, and so many plains left over in the particular area whenever that heavy lakes are drained. And example for this dunes in India is Dehradun. Dehradun is a very important example. And next is, we have one more terminology, Babar, B-H-A-B-A-R. What is the Babar in the sense is, the region where gravel and pebble is, sediments is deposited. Gravel and pebble sediments are deposited in that place, particularly we call as a Babar. And comes to the point of terrain. What is the terrain in the sense is, a swampy and marshy, that means it is a greenery like algae, growth of algae and lot of semi type of water, and is which is having this kind of situation you having in thick forest. In the thick forest, the region always swampy and marshy. That means algae, green algae is present, and lot of oxygen also will be present over there. That is that kind of region we call terai, T-E-R-A-I, terai. And comes to the point of the khadar. What is that in the sense of khadar means? Most that fertile soil, alluvial soil is present in the places, that is called khadar. And one more terminology, doab, D-O-A-B. Doab is a region where the fertile land is present between two rivers. A land, the fertile, most fertile land which is present in the two rivers we call doab, D-O-A-B. So this kind of the great features India is having, and that is the reason we will say Mera Bharat Mahan. So then comes the point of that one. Further clear features regarding this physical features point of view in next episode I am going to give you. Thank you for watching.